Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Tony Letizia, your mindful realtor here in the states of Maryland, Delaware, and Pennsylvania. And I'm here today to talk to you about the pros and cons of selling your home on your own versus selling with a realtor. Selling on your own in realtor terms is called a FSBO, and that stands for sale by owner. And what that means is that you as a homeowner have decided that you are going to figure out the marketing and listing process all on your own. You're going to find your own buyer, you're going to take them all the way through to settlement, and you're going to make a little extra money, potentially. So to go into the pros of selling your home on your own, the biggest one is that you will be making a little bit more money, potentially. With the realtor fees in this area being about 4 to 6% on average, that is what you could expect to save when you go ahead and list your house on your own. Another pro of selling your house on your own is that you get to work on your timeline exactly. There's not going to be any realtor trying to push you along or have appointments set up around your schedule. You will be able to make your own schedule, hire your own contractors and photographers and videographers to come out and do that work for you on your time. The last pro of working a real estate deal on your own and selling your house on your own is that you will be in the driver's seat as far as hearing the offers that come in and meeting the potential offer clients that are actually making those offers. The benefit of having that face-to-face interaction with a buyer of your house is that you'll be able to express how you feel about the house and all of the good things that you want to highlight while you're marketing your house. Let's get into what all the cons are when you decide that you want to list your house as a for sale by owner. The first big con that you are missing is that when you list on your own, you are either listing on one of the websites like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, Homes.com, any one of those. There are dozens of them out there at this point that many people use. While Zillow and Trulia do have the largest market share of active and reoccurring users at about 53%, Homes.com is now making its way up the chart and is starting to grab way more market share as they are having more and more features and more things that people really care about when searching for a home. If you only list on one of these, you are missing huge parts of your audience, and that is going to make sure that your buying pool is much smaller, that there is less chance of a bidding war, less chance of a great cash offer, and just less chance of you really making more money than just working with a realtor. When you work with a realtor, the MLS that we put all of our listings into not only have a very robust set of characteristics, but all of those websites like Zillow, Trulia, Homes.com, every single one of them aggregate or pull from the MLS all of those fields and give you a much more robust listing on every single platform, reaching 100% of your audience. Which brings me into my next con. You are going to be working face-to-face with buyers. And while that might seem okay, you are going to be listening to hours of stories on why the house is perfect for them and why they should get the house and why you should be selling it to them for a certain amount of money. This can become an even more emotional roller coaster than you already letting go of your house and putting it up on the open market. Not only is this incredibly time consuming, but talking to them and making sure that you don't mess up in those conversations, because that is considered negotiating, you're going to need those certain level of negotiation skills. And most people don't have all of the knowledge and those negotiation skills to be able to speak on the value of their own home. The last con of doing a for sale by owner instead of working with a realtor is that all of the costs of marketing your property are on you. You paying all of those fees out of pocket is going to be much more expensive than a realtor hiring their normal crew to do those services for you. Working with me as your listing agent, all of those costs are rolled into the realtor fee that I charge you, which is again between 4 and 6%. Those fees that I also pay for in states like Pennsylvania, where you have to pull the tax certifications, I also pay for those as well. I pay for multiple types of ads, including geo ads that have people that are coming through the area will see your house on their internet browser. And I also pay for targeted ads for people that have actually looked at your home and spent some time actually viewing any type of portal listing for your house. To elaborate on the costs that are entailed with listing an average home in today's market, which, if you're not aware, the average home price in America is currently at its all-time high of $435,000. Getting the photography, videography, and all the other marketing materials for that average house typically ends up being over $1,800. The last pro of working with a professional real estate agent to list your property versus trying to sell it all on your own is that it is fun and insightful to work with a realtor and see what they see in your home. Working with a realtor, you will have the chance to walk your property and view it like you've never viewed it before. On average, I am showing people 15 to 25 items in their home that they have no idea added value to their property. With my professional experience working with buyers and seeing what they see when they tour homes, I can give you the insight into making sure that those little things that would only cost you maybe around $500 to replace throughout your entire house, and maybe would take a day during the weekend to do yourself, could make you thousands of dollars when you go to sell your house. So to sum it up, as a homeowner, you do have multiple ways of selling your property when the time comes. You can either do a for sale by owner and list all on your own, or you can work with a professional real estate agent who will make the process fun, simple, and have you feeling much more secure about selling your house. One thing I want to leave you all with in this area that I found out from the Delaware Board of Realtors is that during the past 3 years, on average, realtor listings have sold for 8 to 15% more than for sale by owner listings during this pretty steady market after COVID. If you're getting ready to list your house soon, really anywhere in the United States, and you have questions, I highly implore you to get in touch with me. My contact info will be posted below. And please feel free to comment with any questions, and I'll be happy to get back to you in the comments as well. I just want to thank everybody for coming back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you like this video, feel free to like it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and stay mindful out there.